This is the Scalper's Gold update for March 8th. This is the YM daily chart here. You can see here's our trend. Red means downtrend, blue would be uptrend, yellow is neutral. You can see we've been obviously in this downtrend going all the way back to January 13th. On the daily chart here, we had a Scalper's Gold short signal at 86.02 back just before that, right when the trend had changed. We were going from a long trend to neutral and then to short, and you can see that sold off there. We got our first stop there at 83.61. That was not hit, rolled over again. Got a new stop here with this dot, blue dot is. That was not hit, rolled over again, and it's just been, this daily, this red line is this daily 5 period is held as resistance this whole way down. We've had several attempts to try and breach this daily 5 period, and you see some certain points during some days they've gone through it but are unable to close above there. Well, we've got another setup here where we made a lower low on Friday, but we ended up closing above Thursday's close, which is a potential, reversal or bullish sign. Where we open is where we've opened here Sunday night. We'll see if we get a market structure low to form. Again, that's would be a low price followed by a lower low followed by a higher low, depending where we trade here on Monday. But if this pattern does set up, then we'll have a potential long side trigger somewhere. Our first resistance would be this daily 13S, which is right on the 7,000 area. And that would be the next test. As you see, we haven't been able to even hit the daily 13S and test that for the whole month of January and February. So we'll see what that brings. Now, last week we looked at, I had sent you, or the video that I did covered the monthly chart. So let's take a look. And this is what we were looking at on the monthly chart. We had this market structure high in the monthly chart, and I said that at that time, that's last Sunday night, they had triggered that short. And so the monthly did trigger short, and we did get some fall through there from 7,050 down to 64.60 was the low there. So about 590 points on the monthly short, so far. We'll see if that gets any more fall through. But you can see from the standpoint of the monthly chart, here's the monthly 5 period that's holding the resistance on the monthly chart. So they can come all the way back up here, in this 78.50, probably 8,000 area, and it's really just getting back to the monthly resistance. So, we can have one of those bear market rallies come up into this area, and it's not going to mean a whole lot, until they start basing above this area, and then eventually test the monthly 13S. So, again, from the daily standpoint, we've got another potential positive setup, at least for the where they can make an attempt, perhaps, to test that 7,000 area here on the daily. But as you can see, all these prior, well, you had a market structure low here. That didn't even come close to its long trigger there, though it did test the 13S, but it formed a market structure high here, triggered short again here. You had another market structure high set up here, triggered short again. Here they had a showdown. We have a market structure high right here and a market structure low here. So it's got two triggers, a short trigger there and this long trigger. They just triggered that long side. Got a little bit of fall for the next day, not quite to the daily 13S, then formed a market structure high, rolled over again, triggered short. Again, the whole time this scalper's gold has been short from, actually goes back to 86.02 here. If you missed that one, you had another attempt to go, or chance to go short there at 78.10. But you can see it's just been any time, here's a green candle, here's a green candle. Anytime they've attempted to make a run or test, they've rolled over again and failed. So at some point, 6,500 is a kind of a natural support. We'll see if they can make this market structure low off that support and test this area. Anyway, so that's what to kind of watch for in the next few days, and we'll see what comes of it, or if we roll over again. Well, I hope that's helpful, and have a good weekend.